Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Square Body Truck, $1,183, Portland, Oregon. This 1977 Chevrolet Square Body Custom Deluxe pickup offers a very affordable gateway into classic American trucks. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission, delivering an authentic vintage driving feel. Rear-wheel drive, a clean title, and 65,000 miles shown add buyer confidence. Finished in yellow, this truck is best suited as a budget project or light-duty cruiser with strong classic character. Number 2. 1970 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed, $2,900, Amado, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed provides a solid platform for restoration or customization. Equipped with an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission, the truck has been stored for an extended period but remains largely complete. The body is reported to be in fair condition, with interior components still intact. Offered with a clean title, this C20 represents a strong candidate for a period-correct rebuild or custom project. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet S10 Drag Truck, $4,000, Fort Riley, Kansas. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 is a purpose-built drag racing project rather than a street-driven classic. Power comes from a heavily modified 400 cubic inch small block gasoline engine bored over, paired with a performance automatic transmission and race-oriented components. The truck runs, though carburetor tuning is required. Sold with a bill of sale instead of a title, it is best suited for track use or experienced builders seeking a dedicated drag platform. Number 4. 1966 Ford Custom Cab F250, $5,000, Veneta, Oregon. This 1966 Ford F250 Custom Cab is a strong example of mid-1960s heavy-duty pickup engineering. It is powered by a 352 cubic inch 8-cylinder gasoline engine, backed by an automatic transmission, known for durability and torque. Rare factory air conditioning and several recent mechanical updates make it a dependable classic driver. With a clean title and solid overall condition, this truck offers both usability and collector appeal. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 2500 4-wheel drive, $4,000, Butte, Montana. This 1989 Chevrolet 2500 pickup is a practical late-era classic with real work capability. It features a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder gasoline engine and manual transmission, delivering dependable performance. The 4-wheel drive system is functional, and the truck runs well with good tires and a clean interior showing minor wear. Despite some body rust, it remains a solid working truck with a clean title. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet Cheyenne pickup, $5,000, Los Angeles, California. This 1989 Chevrolet Cheyenne short cab long bed has remained with the same owner for nearly 30 years, reflecting consistent care. Powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine with automatic transmission, it runs very strong and has received extensive electrical and mechanical updates. Cosmetic flaws are present, including a noticeable dent, but the truck remains a dependable work vehicle with a clean title and honest condition. Number 7. 1989 Toyota pickup 2-wheel drive, $4,500, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1989 Toyota pickup is well regarded for long-term reliability and mechanical simplicity. It is powered by a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and runs and drives very well. Both air conditioning and heating systems function properly, and the truck is equipped with newer tires. Despite an inoperative odometer, the clean title and overall condition make it a strong value among classic compact pickups. Number 8. 1972 GMC 3500 Sierra Grande Longhorn. $24,000, Escondido, California. This 1972 GMC Sierra Grande Longhorn is a rare and highly collectible full-size pickup. It is powered by a 402 cubic inch big block gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth cruising and strong performance. Factory bucket seats, a center console, cold air conditioning, and a rare camper shell further enhance its desirability. With excellent condition and a clean title, this truck is well suited for serious collectors. Number 9. 1981 Chevrolet K2500 four-wheel drive, $7,500, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1981 Chevrolet K2500 square body is an original owner truck equipped with an extensive list of factory options. It features an 8-cylinder gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive, along with power accessories and period-correct interior details. The truck is currently not running and carries a salvage title due to a minor front-end impact. Despite this, its rust-free condition and originality make it a strong restoration or collector project. Number 10. 1984 Chevrolet El Camino, $14,000, Oregon. This 1984 Chevrolet El Camino combines muscle car performance with pickup versatility. It is powered by a recently installed crate 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder gasoline engine built to early 1970s Corvette specifications, paired with an automatic transmission. With approximately 3,000 miles on the engine and upgraded performance components, it offers strong driving potential. A clean title and good overall condition make this El Camino an attractive modern-era classic.